Hey there, beauty. Glowing star, welcome back to MTH Health, where we bring you the best beauty tips and self-care routines. Today, we'll walk you through an underarm wax using white chocolate wax, the perfect way to say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to smooth, glowing skin. If you're ready to rock these sleeveless dresses with confidence, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Before we begin, it's important to prepare your skin properly for the best results and a smooth, pain-free experience. Allow your hair to grow to about 1/4 inch or 6 mm. This ensures that the wax holds the hair well. If it's too small, it can't be pulled out completely. Clean the armpit a day before. This helps remove dead skin cells, reduces the risk of ingrown hairs, and ensures that the wax adheres better to the hair. Clean the area thoroughly before waxing. Make sure it's dry and free of oils, deodorants, or lotions. You can use a little baby powder to absorb any excess moisture. Finally, do a patch test with white chocolate wax if you're trying it for the first time, just to rule out skin sensitivity. Now that we're done, let's move on to the exciting part, the waxing process. Heat the white chocolate wax to a comfortable temperature. Make sure it is warm, not too hot, to avoid burning. White chocolate wax is ideal as it is gentle on the skin and suitable for sensitive areas such as the armpits. Test the wax on a small area of skin to make sure it's not too hot. Apply the wax evenly in the direction of hair growth using a spatula. Be generous and cover the entire area, especially with fully grown hair. Wait a few seconds until the wax cools and hardens slightly. Next, hold the skin firmly with one hand and pull the wax strip sharply in the opposite direction of hair growth. The faster you draw, the better. Check for any remaining hair. You can go over lost spots, but avoid over-waxing the same area to prevent irritation. Gently clean the area with a post-wax oil or cleanser to remove any remaining wax. Great job! Now that your armpits are hair-free, let's keep that skin smooth and happy with these simple aftercare tips. Apply a soothing gel or aloe vera to soothe any redness or irritation. Avoid deodorants or perfumes for at least 24 hours. This gives your skin time to heal. Avoid hot showers, saunas, or exercise for the rest of the day to avoid sweat and heat burns. If you experience mild throbbing, apply a little tea tree oil to reduce inflammation. Gently exfoliate the area after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. And there you have it, your complete guide to perfect underarm growth with white chocolate wax. With these tips, you'll enjoy silky smooth, hair-free skin and feel fresh and confident. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to MTH Health for more beauty tips and self-care routines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.